Not 2 months ago, the tuner Clinched gave us an extreme wide-body Ford Mustang GT in bright yellow presence. It is the official presentation vehicle for the Carbon Widebody Kit, and the yellow livery was deliberately chosen to highlight the carbon components. The body kit is known to include a bumper subcomponent with integrated front spoiler, extremely fat fender flares front with integrated ventilation ducts, matching and rather bulky side skirts, exorbitant fat extensions for the rear side walls with air vents, a spoiler lip and ducktail style and a lining for the rear window. In addition, this specimen boat got a huge rear diffuser donated, and you covered the Mustang completely in matte black. Apart from the eye-catching screws rivets for attaching the fender flares, it has made no color to the vehicle, and only the gold-painted brake calipers and stark cover of the deep rims are still a small exception. Of course, an extreme lowering by means of air-ride suspension should not be missed, and so is the GT on request to the last millimeter on the ground. The result is a barely recognizable Ford Mustang GT, with its black finish looks bitter and definitely one of the most extreme conversions ever counts. Of course, it would be interesting to know that the German TÜV keeps the conversion.